How to fix horizontal lines on iPhone screen 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix horizontal lines on iPhone screen 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings, and then from in there just scroll down until you can see this general. So click on general right here. Click on software update and make sure that you're on the latest update of your software. Now, once you have determined that, you can just head over to your app store and then update the app on your device. That is because usually the issue is just on the app and not on the whole iPhone itself. So once you have updated your apps, the next thing you need to do is to head over again to your settings and then head over to your display and brightness and just tweak it to what display is the right for you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix horizontal lines on phone screen 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.